Everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you the story of Rip Van Winkle. So Rip Van Winkle is a story of an American man who is very simple, kind and gentle. He is kind because he always liked to help the people of his village. Whenever the people of his village ask him for help, he always come forward to help them. Not only the people of his village, but even the children of his village love him very much. Whenever the children saw Rip Van Winkle, they shouted with joy because Rip Van Winkle used to participate with them in a game. He used to teach them how to make toys. He used to teach them how to fly kites. He used to play marbles with them. And not only this, sometimes he used to tell them a long story of witches and fairies. But Rip has a very bad habit, and that is he don't like to do work. Means he hate work. Though he like to help the people of his village, whenever the people of his village call him for work, he always go forward. But he don't like to do work at home. So due to that reason, he is very poor. His wife and children always used to remain hungry, means they don't get food to eat. They don't have good clothes to wear. Even the fence of his farm, it is used to be broken, and there was lot of wild plant. Okay, there was a lot of wild plant grown on his field. As he don't do any work at home, he used to be scolded by his wife every day. His wife used to say him that idle good for nothing fellow. Instead of doing work of others, or instead of playing with the children or sleeping on the hillside, why don't you do a work at home so that you can earn some money and you can bring some food, and also you can bring some good clothes for our children. But Rip never care what his wife say him. He never listen his wife. Instead, when his wife scold him, what he do is that he simply go out from his house on the hillside, and he used to be there for the whole day. He used to sleep there. He used to stay there, okay, or he used to do hunting there, okay. And what happened when he feel that the temperature of his wife has cooled down, he used to come back at home. But one day what happened, Rip's wife was very angry with him, and she has scolded him very badly, okay. And on that day she has scolded him very badly, means it's not like other day, okay. Other day though she scolded him, but on that particular day she had scolded him very badly. But it doesn't make any effect to him. He did the same thing. He just took a gun and he called his dog. He have a dog, okay. He have one dog whose name was Wolf. He took his dog and he go out, okay, to the hillside. So he stayed there for the whole day. He means he got a place where there was a full of grasses, okay, and he stayed there for the whole day. And when the sun was about to set, he woke up, okay. He woke up and said to his dog that, come on, let's go home. Maybe the temperature of his wife has cooled down. Now let's go, and maybe she may need any help from us, okay. So she just talked with his dog like that, and they together they start moving toward their home. As they was moving toward their home, he heard some noise. Okay, he heard some noise calling, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. But when he looked around, he didn't show anyone except he saw a crow was sitting on a branch of a tree. So he thought that it may be it was his imagination. So as they was moving again the sounds come and called his name, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. This time he looked around very nicely, okay, and he saw a very strange man who was having a very long hair, and his eyebrows and beard were also very much bushy. So when he saw the man, he asked him, "Did you call me, sir?" Okay, so when he asked him, "Did you call me, sir?" but the man didn't reply anything. Okay, but the man didn't reply anything, but just he gave some sign. Okay, the man, he just gave some sign to help him, okay, to carry the cake. So cake, you see, the man, he's carrying one thing. It's look like a drum. Okay, so that's called cake. Okay, cake is a thing where people used to give waters, okay, or like wines and all. Okay, so when the man asks Rip to help him, okay, without hesitating anything or without saying anything, he decide to help him. So both of them started walking. Okay, they were just walking and walking, and they went to a very higher place upside the hill. Okay, and that place was totally dark. So when they reached the place, Rip saw lot of people there who look very strange. Okay, who look very strange, who have a very long nose. Okay, who have a very small eyes, and someone's eyes were very big, and their hairs are very long. Okay, their beards are very long, and those mans, what they were doing, they were playing a game. Okay, and the name of the game is 9-pin and a ball. As soon as those people who was playing the game, as soon as they saw the cake, which was carried by Rip Van Winkle, as soon as they saw the cake, they stopped playing. Okay, and they just came near the cake, and they open it. Okay, and they open it, and they pour a drink from that cake. So after pouring it out from the cake, they start drinking it. Okay, they start drinking it because they was very thirsty. Yes, no, they was playing the game, and they feel very thirsty. That's why they started drinking the thing which was inside the cake. As Rip was also very tired, and he was also very thirsty, so what he did, he have also taken 1 cup of the drink, and he took it. So when the first time when he took the drink, he means he found it very tasty. Okay, he found it very tasty. So what he did, he take 1 more cup of a drink. So in the same way, he was taking one after another, again one after another, again one after another. And as he took too much of that drink, at last what happened, his head was started swinging, and he was feeling drowsy. Okay, and on that place only where he was sitting, there only he fell asleep. So after his sleep, when he woke up, he feel very much strange. Okay, he feel very much strange, means he was feeling like what's happened, everything is changed. So after that, what he did, he woke up from the place where he was sleeping, and he started moving toward his house. So when he was moving toward his house, and he was just about to reach his village, he found that whole the thing is totally changed, whole the place was changed. Okay, there's a lot of houses in that village. Okay, people, he was unable to recognize the people, he was unable to identify the peoples, and even the village peoples was laughing at him. okay, because he was having a long beard, okay, and his clothes were totally torn, yes or no. So people started loving at him. So everyone was coming near him, looking at him, and someone are laughing, someone are feeling very strange, like who is this person, who is this stranger coming in our village, okay, they were just feeling like that. So at the time, he saw a lady, okay, he saw a lady who was standing a little far away from him, and that lady was just a bit similar, like maybe he show her like his wife, or maybe the lady look like him, okay. So he just have a feeling, maybe this is my one family member, okay. So he just went near her and asked her that, who is your father, what is the name of your father, and who is your mother, okay. So at the time the lady replied that Rip Van Winkle is my father, okay, and my mother has just recently died, okay, because she has been thinking about her father, okay, and by that she died. She have also said that her father has left the house 20 years ago and had never returned, okay. So by this line, that means that Rip Van Winkle was sleeping there for 20 years, okay. That is why his beard got very long and the people were unable to identify him. So after listening this, Rip Van Winkle said that I am myself is Rip Van Winkle. So when he said that he is Rip Van Winkle, every people, no, the crowd who was around him, everyone came near to him, okay, and look at him very nicely, okay, and they said that, oh yes, this person look like Rip Van Winkle, okay. So the family of Rip Van Winkle was very happy to see him, and the people of his village also very happy to see him, okay. So just to welcome him, they had given a very big party on that night, okay. After that, Rip and Winkle stayed happily with his daughter and his grandson, okay. So this is the story. Hope you have enjoyed, okay. So we will conclude today. Thank you.